Poor guy. How are you? That's Dawn. She's my lovely wife. Uh, Move that over. Okay, in case you haven't been able to tell by the thumbnail, this is what I'm doing. I'm doing a chili cheese hot dog casserole skillet thing. Not Frito chili pie. I don't have any Fritos. So we do have leftover chili. It looks delicious already. And we have some leftover cheese. The hot dogs, they were not leftover. I bought these. Um, they're supposed to be all natural. Dawn has a little bit of an issue with the real cheap hot dogs, so we get these, and she does fine with these. So we're going to use those. I'm only going to use half of it. I'm going to put that on the Oklahoma Joe's, and I'm going to get that firebox going with some just cheap charcoal. And the thought is to get this a little smoky, a little warmed up in the Oklahoma Joe. I'm going to take these hot dogs, grill them out there over the firebox, and slice them up, put them in here, put some cheese on, mix it all together. It's going to be delicious, I guarantee it. And it's leftovers. So we spent, $5 on these and everything else we had. So we'll see how this goes. If you dare, come along, meet me outside. Peace. Want to rock and roll all night. Okay, hey everybody, poor guy outdoors cooking and stuff. Come over here, honey. Okay. Don's getting a phone call at this moment, so we'll get this going and we'll come back. Here's my Oklahoma Joe's Highland. I put the chili on there. I got some really cheap charcoal over here. Can you get a picture of that, honey? And I threw some. Oh, I dropped my guitar. My golf club. I put some hickory in there, and I'm going to take these hot dogs and I'm going to grill them up in the firebox, and then I'm going to slice them up, and I'm going to add it to that chili there, and some cheese. But I'm going to see if it gets a little bit of smoky flavor on that, and it's warming up nicely. And yeah, here, let me just show you, because Don is, oh boy, these don't have a thing? Oh boy. Okay, hold on, let me grab my trusty knife, and let's open these up. So that fire is going pretty good. I'm going to set these off to the side. So the Oklahoma Joe's does come with these little grates here, so you can do things like searing steaks and cooking hot dogs while you're smoking. Yeah, it's pretty hot in there, so these won't take very long. Keep them over at this end. It's only 4 hot dogs, and I'll be just grilling these up very nicely and slicing them up and adding them to the chili and putting some cheese on top, and then we'll bake it to a beautiful goodness. So, yeah, that's the plan. Now, if you're new here to Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking, welcome. Don't be afraid to hit that subscribe button and make a comment if you like. That would be great. And we do things a little bit differently. We're not a barbecue channel per se, but we cook outdoors. We've got some different cookers that we like to use from time to time, and kind of come up with ideas for dishes that are fun and that we've never done before and sound tasty and aren't very expensive. Okay, this is my spoon. So Dawn has to make a phone call, and when we come back, hopefully she'll be done with that phone call, because she's recording me and I love her so much. Okay, come on back. Peace. Okay, I'm back by myself because Dawn is indisposed as of right this minute. So there's my little hot dogs all grilled up in the firebox over those cooking grates. I'm going to get these off here, slice them up, and add them to the chili and go from there. Okay, we got Aiden to take over recording. So there's our chili getting a little bit of smoke flavor. Here's our hot dogs. I went ahead and sliced them up. So let's take this and add them to the chili. I'm going to save some of these to add to the top of the cheese. Again, this is just 4 bun length hot dogs, they call them. The all natural, no nitrates and nitrites and horse crap, I guess, in there. So we tend to buy these because Don was able to eat these with no issues. Okay, just 4 of them in there. Let's take this and we'll set it there for a moment. And I forgot the cheese. Yeah, I forgot the cheese. So this chili is getting nice and warmed up. I'm going to run in and get the cheese and add it at the top. And I'm not too concerned about the temperature of this. I'm not smoking meat. I'm just warming it up kind of like an oven. And before I forget, I haven't talked about this gentleman in a while. Sherman Coop the Grill. If you don't know him, please check him out. He's got a great channel. Him and his wife do some awesome video and cooking outdoors mostly. So pay attention to him if you don't know him already. Sherman's a great guy. He's got some great ideas. Let me go get the cheese and then I'll be back. All right. Peace. Cheese, if you please. Now we bought this big old thing. This is actually Fiesta blend. We bought it at Sam's a few weeks back, and we're getting through it, man. It was a good saving. So we love cheese here at the Poor Guy household. So we're gonna go. We're gonna go with cheese. And some people don't like cheese, but by golly, we do. So let's get that in there. Let's get some pushed around the edges here. This cheese does melt a little strange, but the flavor is fine. Ordinarily, I probably would have put cheddar on, but this is a leftover edition, and we have leftover cheese. So we're using it. Let's take some of these hot dogs here. I'm just going to use my hands. They're already cooked. And lay some of these little buggers on top so it looks picturesque. And I'm going to try to get a fancy little thumbnail. And then we're gonna do our usual family taste test here in a little bit. I'm just gonna let it go till the cheese gets melty and bubbly and all that sorts of good stuff, and then we'll give it a try. Yeah, there's Buddy. He's our dog, one of our dogs. Hi, Buddy. All right. When this is done, we'll bring it in the house and give it a try. Peace out. There it is. It turned out pretty good, I think. We just got the cheese, melty. It was a little bubbly and yumness, and some little hot dogs and chili and cheese. A chili cheese hot dog skillet, I guess, is what we'll end up calling it. We're all family here. I got the review crew. We're gonna try this each with a spoon. Tori, why don't you go ahead and...
I get first?
Yeah, because you're recording, and there's hot dogs mixed in too. Oh, that's some gooey cheese right there. That's gooey goodness.
I get some more chili.
Some more, sorry. Okay. I guess we can all just go ahead.
Just go. Yeah.
Make sure you have a hot dog in it.
Yeah, get a hot dog. There's the chili, the cheese, and a little wiener in there. Cheers there, buddy.
Cheers.
It's not that hot.
It's not that hot.
Mm-mm.
Wow.
Is it hot?
Oh,
Oh, mine wasn't.
We took the side, didn't you?
uh-huh.
Whoops.
No, it's pretty hot. Aiden.
I lied.
Oh.
Well, I didn't lie.
You lied to us, I guess, to
Mine
hurt us.
wasn't really hot.
Hurt our mouths. It wasn't too bad, but
The inside's not as hot as the outside.
anyway,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what.
That was good.
That's freaking good. So it's a chili cheese dog without a bun, right?
Yeah.
And easy to do. Leftovers. Oh, that's melting my hand. Leftover chili. Already had the cheese. Bought the hot dogs. It's got a tiny bit of smoke flavor, not too much. I didn't really care about that. What do you guys think?
It's delicious.
More
I
hot
like
dogs.
it a lot.
Right on. And more hot dogs, maybe. Maybe just half of it. No, we got leftover hot dogs and we'll use those for something else. We're not afraid. Okay. I'm all right. Poor guy outdoor cooking. I got Don over there. And Tori right there. Got Aiden. And we're all done here for today. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.